The best strategy for product launch email is to send a teaser or few teasers before the actual product launch. And in this video, I'll show you the 4 perfect teaser emails from 4 different companies. Hi, my name is Andrei, the founder of Flowium email marketing agency, as well as this YouTube channel. If you're first time on this channel, strongly recommend for you to subscribe and hit the bell button. We are releasing this kind of videos every week with strategies and actionable tips which you can implement immediately in your business. In this video, I would like to talk and show you examples about 4 teaser emails. Teaser emails are perfect for any new product launch. It builds anticipation from your loyal customers and new customers about the new upcoming product. So first, I would like to start from the furniture company called Burrow and the way how they build anticipation for the new product launch. So this is the email I received on August 22nd, 2021, so last year. I personally I love those kinds of emails and they catch my attention. So I do understand it's a desk. I mean, it looks like a desk, standing desk, I can guess, but I have no clue. And I like how they did this like pixelation. It catch my attention and I bet it catch their customer attention. There's other feedback I can give about the email design, but this part is the best. And as you can see, so it's August 22nd, they say the all new product launches on August 24th. And they also encourage you to sign up for their text. So this is a perfect email. So it does 2 things. So first, it's letting you know the new products will be launched, and second, it collects SMS. So the second company is Behave. It's a candy company or healthy candy company. They have very similar coming soon. We're dropping some hints on who the new Hari is. And as you can see, it looks like an arm, and it holds a lot of candies in the palm. I'm just guessing, and that guessing thing is the most important in marketing. You want people to guess, you want people to be curious, and they want to look forward to your next message, in this case email. And also, as you can see, they add very cool copy here that makes you special, saying, hey, if you click here, if you sign up, you will be the first one to find out before anyone else. So before anyone else, it's a very powerful part of the sentence as well, because it makes you feel special. So the third company is Roosevelt's. They produce shirts, t-shirts and shirts with like famous movies and cartoons. And in this case, it's a Nickelodeon. They brand it as a Nickelodeon Vault, and they are releasing some new shirts. And as you can see, I like this part a lot. So as you can see, they are releasing, it looks like 4 different shirts, and they put question marks, and you see it's pixelated, so you can guess what kind of color scheme it will be, but you have no clue what it would be. It looks like small turtles, but again, guessing factor, like, yes, I can guess, but I'm not sure, and so forth. And also I like this part where you can see those turtles picking out of the wall, but again, you are not able to see the full picture, and the thing that you are not able to see the full pictures make the product launch is more effective. And the last brand is DEUX. I don't know how to pronounce it, sorry, but they sell cookie dough. And as you can see, they are introducing some kind of new flavor. And again, like very similar strategy with all the designs that I just showed the pixelated image. And it does work because we work with one of those brands, and we know for the fact that it works. It builds curiosity, builds anticipation, and some people even waiting and buying the product before we send out the product launch, which is also makes me crazy because people are waiting. But one thing that I would strongly recommend is also to add some kind of like time, like Roosevelt does. You see June 25th, 12 p.m. So it's very specific, and some people might be on the website waiting for that product launch and buy right away. Yeah, so those were For examples, if you want to study them in closer details, like go to our Pinterest, I included the link below under this video. You can study those emails in details and copy, image, like structure and so forth. And if you have any additional questions, please leave them under this video. I will be more than glad to answer them, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.
Hey, this is me again. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel because it helps us to grow and produce more valuable content for you.